Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Here is a very happy news, a very important news for all of us. The Director General of WHO has clearly stated that vaccine may get released by the end of 2020 itself. That's a very happy news to all of you. In the month of November, we are going to commence our new CA Inter regular batches as well as CA final regular batch, 24th regular batch. Once this vaccine gets arrived, we will start conducting physical classes. We are just waiting for releasing of vaccination. Once this vaccine gets released, we will start conducting physical classes. Of course, even after commencement of physical classes, if some students are willing to continue classes, listening classes through online facility, that is through Zoom platform, we will continue and extend that facility also. That means after vaccination, for each batch, we will teach classes through physically as well as through online platforms. Students can choose any one of their choice. It's completely left to their choice. Some students may ask me, sir, is it better to attend the classes physically or through online mode? My personal choice is physical classes. My personal choice is physical classes. There are numerous advantages in physical classes which cannot be obtained through online classes. So attending classes does not mean for the purpose of listening to the subject alone. There are several objectives which needs to be met. For example, when you attend the classes physically, you can improve your communication skills by interacting with various students. So you can change your behavioral skills, especially social behavioral skills. By interacting with co-students, you can change your social behavioral skills. You can understand how to behave with your co-students. There is a huge scope for peer group learning. There are several aspects which you can learn only by interacting with your peers. All these things are going to miss in online learning. How to present in the examination? Several students are getting confused in this area. But in case of physical classes, such kind of issues will not be there. Even after making wonderful arrangements with respect to online classes, we cannot assure the quality of network. Due to some limitations in the network, definitely some students may not be able to access online classes. It's not the fault of anyone. We may arrange wonderful facilities, but at the end of the day, students need to attend the classes through their own local internet. If that internet facility is not proper, automatically it will hamper the quality of online classes. So we may use wonderful technology, but we cannot assure similar technology being used by the students at the other end. That's why I always prefer physical classes rather than online classes. By this time, students might have understood that the discipline levels and the attention levels while listening to physical classes are entirely different. For example, if one student stays in home and attends online classes, for 30 minutes, even if he does not attend the classes, no one will question him. In such a scenario, we cannot expect every student to be self-disciplined. It may not be possible with respect to all the students. So that's why, my dear students, let us first give priority to physical classes. Let us use online classes only as a last resort. Of course, right now during COVID-19 pandemic situation, we are left with only one option, that is online classes. But once vaccination comes, we'll have two options, either to go for physical classes or to continue in online classes. So after vaccination, I recommend all the students to give top priority to physical classes. In case of unavoidable situations, you continue learning through online platforms. One thing is sure, we have decided to continue continue providing classes through online platforms also, even after completion of vaccination process. So, my dear students, before taking a decision with respect to CA Inter or CA Final new regular batches which are going to commence in November 2020, please keep this point also in mind that vaccination may come by the end of this year itself, as per the recommendation, as per the prediction of Director General of WHO. Since it is being stated by Director General of WHO, this statement is much reliable. All the best.